Welcome everyone to Didi's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a really easy recipe how to make Nutella cookies. This recipe is really easy. You'll need Nutella, which we all love. All the kids love it, including me. Literally everyone loves Nutella. It's great. Then what we need is 1 cup of flour, half a cup of Nutella, half a cup of sugar, and 2 eggs. So that's it for the ingredients. Now we just take them into our trusty mixing bowl. Very simple, just like that. I'm gonna take this and scoop it out. Okay. To get the rest out, we'll use this. Okay. Nutella is very sticky, so be careful. Gonna put it in there. Gotta get it all out. Okay, now that we put in the Nutella, all we have to do is throw in our 2 eggs, just like that. Now we're just gonna mix that up. Just a bit, because we are going to whisk this, so we don't have to waste our time too much on this. Mix it up. It's becoming very, very, very thick. That's how we want it to be. But lower. Alright, now that we have it into our mixing bowl, we mix it up all nicely. We put in some extra flour so we have a thicker consistency. And then we're going to put it into our trustworthy ice cream scoop. We're going to flatten it out a bit for the surface, just like that. And now we're going to scoop it on here. Like that. Okay, now we're going to take a fork, put on some water into a bowl, get our fork wet. And now what we're going to do is we're going to extend the cookies so they're a bit bigger. Okay, now that we extended the size a bit with the fork, now these are going to go into the oven at 180 Celsius for 10 minutes. And there we have it. These look amazing, made out of Nutella. And look what you can make with Nutella. If you're just a bit creative, we're going to take a cookie. I'm excited to eat this. It was so easy to make, and let's go. Very, very nice. Do it yourself at home. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy little recipe. You can eat it for breakfast. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.